Hello students, hope you are able to clear your concept about some geometrical figure I discussed in last videos. In this video, I am going to discuss some basic questions which is asked in almost in every book. So I am discussing some questions and how you solve those questions. Be careful, listen the audio and see the video so that you are able to understand how to solve or how to give solution of your geometry problems. So let's start. I am using in various books. I have found that different questions are there like draw rough sketch of this type of curve, very simple curve, simple closed curve, open curve, closed curve but not simple likewise. So for such type of questions you can refer to the previous videos. There you can find out some various examples. Even in your book various examples are given, so I am not going to discuss that one. I am going to discuss this question. In one of the question I found that there is a figure. Suppose your figure looks like this one. Looks like this one without name. And question asked to you that is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. From the definition, it is a curve. So you can write down it is a curve. Then is it a closed curve? Check whether you are able to find any starting or end point. No. So yes, it is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Is it a polygon? Now point is there. Is it a polygon? What is the meaning of polygon? Curve having straight line as its boundary. So yes, in this figure all are straight line. Though I have not used my scale, so little bit curve is there. Actually, it is a polygon because they are straight line. These are straight lines. Now, so this is a polygon. It is a polygon. It is a polygon. Hope this will clear to you. So such type of question may come. Question may ask about this type of figure, or figure looks like this type. So this is not a your polygon because there is a curve. Figure looks like, sometimes figure looks like this one, and then is question that is it a simple curve or not simple curve, closed curve or not, polygon or not. So this type of question may ask you. You must, if your concept is clear, then you are able to give the answer. Then in some books there is a question that draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC or quadrilateral PQRS. In one book I found draw a curve of pentagon. So likewise you question ask you, whenever question asks you to draw this type of figure, this you must use pencil, your scale or compass if required. In some video I must discuss how to use your compass, but first see this question. In this question asked you draw a rough sketch. I am using from this book, draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Question says that draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. All are capital letters. Triangle ABC. Then says that mark a point P in its interior. So I'm using to write main important point. Mark point P in its interior. I think it's clear, na? Its interior. Mark point P in its interior. Then question asked to you one more thing. Yes, is the point A in its exterior or its interior? Question asks that point A is exterior point or exterior or interior. So these are the questions. So how you solve this one? Though it says draw rough sketch, you need not to draw rough sketch, you must use a proper sketch, proper figure. So for that, use your scale and first try to, in case of triangle, first try to draw the base. Clear? Then, as we know that triangle have three sides and figure looks like this one. So first draw by using your pencil, draw a line, and then, though it says rough, so I am drawing the rough diagram and meet these 2 points. Now this part is your extra one, so I am going to erase this part. Clear? Now you have to give the name of the triangle ABC. I told you that we in geometry we use either clockwise or anti-clockwise, both the manner. In be habitual of drawing or giving the name anti-clockwise direction. You can start from anywhere, but you have to give the name anti-clockwise. So I am giving here over there A. Now anti-clockwise, come to this side B, then from this come this side C. Figure is complete. So this is a diagram of ABC. Always remember, use your scale. ABC. Now question, so first part complete. Second part, mark point P in its interior. So choose any point anywhere. This is point P. Clear? I hope you are able to see. Let me check. Yes, you are able to see the point P. Now then question asked you, point A is exterior or interior? A is, whether is point A? Point A is a vertex, na? Point A is a vertex, point B is a vertex, point C is a vertex of this triangle. So what you can write? You must write that point A is, point A is neither, some say neither, doesn't matter, spelling is same, neither exterior nor interior. Clear? It is your neither exterior nor interior. This sign, triangle sign, represents triangle. This sign represents symbol of triangle. A triangle ABC. Vertex of triangle. Then give the name of triangle. So what does it pronunciate? Triangle ABC. Vertex of triangle ABC on the boundary of triangle. of triangle. So this type of questions may ask you. Sometimes quadrilaterals is there, sometimes circle is there. For circle you have to use compass. Now let's discuss next point. Suppose question asked you draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral, and maybe name given or not. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral and draw its diagonal. Then how will draw? Very simple. Quadrilateral means having four sides. So use your pencil and scale. Draw the base of the desired required length. Then quadrilateral means four side. One side, suppose in quadrilateral sides are not given, so we can use one smaller side. No, this one. Then join these two lines. Clear? Now question asked to you that in book name is given PQRS. So I start from this side P, this vertex is P, this vertex is QRS. If you don't know what is the vertex or vertices, so you must go back to the previous video, see that one, then come to this video. Now then question says that draw its diagonal. As we know what are diagonals, we use scale, place the scale at properly just above these 2 points, this one, and use some dotted lines likewise, so that you can easily understand that this is your diagonal of the figure. Now this is your one diagonal. Another diagonal is this one. This is your another diagonal. So hope you can easily understand. So what are, you must write down the name of diagonal. Diagonals are PR, na? Line segment. It is a line segment, so we use PR, and we have QS. Na? Diagonals are PR and QS. So if you have your pentagon, then pentagon is a polygon having 5 sides. So likewise you can draw in your geometry copy by using pencil, scale, draw the figure, and use pen to write this type of things. I hope it's clear. In figure do use pencil, in writing part use pen. Clear? In your geometry copy you must draw the margin a little bit small, 1 centimeter margin in your left side and at the top. Then next question. This figure is given in one book, and there are some questions. First question says that is it a simple closed curve? So let's start. Is it a simple closed curve? As we know that in case of simple closed curve, they not meet at any part or at any point. So yes, it is a simple closed curve. Then again it's question asked to you that is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is a quadrilateral. Is it a quadrilateral? Let's check. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 straight lines. So yes, it is a quadrilateral. Then next question asked to you, draw its diagonal. Sure, as we know, diagonals are the straight line which joins opposite vertex of a quadrilateral. So in this case, A and C are opposite vertex na, because AB already joined, AD already joined. Only A and C not directly joined. So this is your diagonal. This is your one of the diagonal. Other opposite point B and D. Though it's outside, if you draw diagonal, it is not go in between the figure. It's go outside. So it is your external diagonal. It is your internal. It is your external diagonal. Join these. Join these. So yes, we have two diagonals. Then question asked to you, state which diagonal lies in the area which interior. So AC diagonal AC is your internal diagonal, and BD your external diagonal. Your external diagonal. So I think you have cleared this type of questions. Then one more question I have in my mind. Let's discuss. So as you are observing in your board, there is a figure of quadrilateral KLMN. This side, this is your figure of quadrilateral KLMN. It's good. Now with the help of this figure, you have to solve these questions. So let's start. First question says, write down two pairs of opposite sides. As we know that these are the sides, but question asked to you opposite sides, pair of opposite side. So first pair is this one and this one. These two are opposite now, and second these two. So we must write down your first pair, your KL, side KL, and from that side MN, this one. And your second answer is little bit space is not there, so you can, I think you can easily understand. Second pair is this one, LM and KN. LM and KN. So these two are first pair and second pair. These two are the pairs of opposite sides. You must write down the name of the sides. Then it says that two pairs of opposite angles. First mark the angles. As we know that two having two arm or two line segment with common point. So K, this is your one of the angle. This is your one of the angle. This is your one angle, and it is a fourth angle. Means there are four angles totally we have. So two pairs of opposite angles means opposite to each other. This and this, these two angles are opposite. So what is the name? What is the name of this angle? NKL. As we discussed, vertex of the angle must be at the mid. So I am writing over here so that you don't need not to confuse. First pair is your angle NKL and angle LMN. This is sine angle LMN, first pair. What about second pair? Second pair is your KLM. These two na angle KLM and angle MNK. Clear? So this is your two pair of opposite angles. Now two pair of adjacent sides. Adjacent means together, one after other. Adjacent, this and this. These two are adjacent or these two are adjacent. Clear? For this, these two are adjacent or these two are adjacent. So question asked you only two pair of adjacent. So I am using these two and these two. First adjacent pair is your KL, side KL and side LM, and second pair is your MN and KN. The next question asked to you two pairs of adjacent angle. So adjacent means together, this or this or this. So I am using only one. First is your angle KLM and LMN, angle LMN. First this and this, and second is your this and this na. So angle MNK and NKL. So this is your questions based on yesterday's videos. Hope you can easily understand. You must complete your exercise 10.3. I am giving you the homework. It is your you must complete exercise 10.3 in your geometry copy. That's all for today. Thank you.